Want a professional purchase summary on your WooCommerce site? Learn to add it in just 9 clicks. We'll start by opening the Elementor editor, navigate to WooCommerce widgets, and then place the purchase summary. Finally, we'll look at upgrading to Pro for more features. First, go to the home page and edit it with Elementor. Once you're in, click on Highlight to get started. Then, click on WooCommerce. And then, click on WooCommerce again. Now, click on Purchase Summary. Then, click on the Purchase Summary widget. Click on Use Purchase Summary widget and dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. Then, hit Upgrade Now.
And hit Upgrade Now once more. And that's all there is to it.
If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.